sequels.
In 1974, American spacemen successfully flew an airplane to the moon. By 1981, it was fully colonized. But in 1997, something went horribly wrong in this space paradise. 3 scientists were sent to investigate a disturbance at an atomic waste site. This is their story.
Commander, I think you should take a look at this. I thought I told you to put a sock in it.
This is strange. I'm not getting a reading from the cryptographic automatron.
Gizmos. Come on, doll, let's cut the science malarkey and get with the smooching.
Ugh. You know I'm not that type of girl, Butch Jenkins.
Oh, lousy dames.
Butch Jenkins? The realm-hopping 1950s bully with a homicidal mean streak?
Hey, I know you. You're the pipsqueak who's pals with the werewolf. You guys bamboozled me.
Who, me? No.
You better make tracks, Poindexter, because I still owe you a knuckle sandwich.
Fade to black.
Turn that projector back on, Weisenheimer. I double dare you.
I used to own this town. Now it's all turned upside down. I wish I could figure out. Do you think it's just a phase I'm going through? Just a phase I'm going through.
Being the star quarterback sure does have its advantages. But me, I play football for the love of the game, not for the perks that come with it. Of course, not everyone's begging me for my autograph.
Hey, Dawkins, give me a quarter.
Sure, Lori.
Please.
There you go.
Thanks. Okay. Wasn't that thirsty anyway? Jackpot!
I don't think that was such a good idea, Lori.
Why? What's gonna happen? Detention?
So I guess I'll just get that quarterback from you some other time.
Tom! Bad news! Butch is back!
Who?
Butch Jenkins, the 50s bully who crossed realms to wreak havoc on our pleasant little hamlet.
Never heard of him.
You never heard... Tommy, how could you forget Butch?
Meet Butch. Butch is a bad
Oh,
apple.
hey, Butch. How you doing? I am not that type of girl.
This movie's lousy with rules.
Wait, you can't go out there. Oh, heavens. Butch!
Well, you have a nice trip? I'm screwed.
Get back in that movie.
Chance chump. I only came out here because I wanted a companion to bring back, but you gotta make things all screwy for me.
If you come back, I'll let you get to second base.
How down? Sucker.
Oh, yes, Butch. How's he doing?
How's he doing? Tommy, he just tried to attack me. We gotta stop him.
Relax, huh? He's stuck in a movie, right?
Yeah?
Okay, then. You have nothing to worry about. I mean, you have the film canister, don't you?
Before you judge me, bear in mind that I was under tremendous duress.
Oh. Travis, look, it's a girl.
Hey, welcome to Third Block Detention. We hope you have a pleasant stay.
Try to behave yourself. I'll be in the teacher's lounge.
You mean he doesn't supervise us?
Shh. We have to quietly contemplate our crimes.
What a lame school. They don't even do detention right. See you in half an hour, boys. Lights out, bozos.
Hey, check it out, little broski. It's movie time.
Maybe it's the Thomas Crown affair. Yeah.
Rene Russo.
Howdy, boys. How about a little game? Shut your yaps and you close your eyes, and I'll give you a big surprise.
Is it cake?
Okay, you can open them. Surprise!
Butch, come back.
Sorry, doll, I'm going werewolf hunting. I'll see you in the funny papers.
It's probably not as bad as it looks. Butch?
Here, Butchie, Butchie, Butchie.
Butch is out there. He said something about going werewolf hunting.
Okay, so it's worse than it looks. Hi, Mary.
Hi, Tommy.
Tommy. Burton, Butch knows I'm a werewolf. We gotta stop him before he starts asking questions.
Yeah.
Take a picture. It lasts longer. Just a souvenir, baby doll.
Whatever, Buzz Lamier.
So, what's a beautiful tomato like you doing in a patch like this?
You're kidding, right?
Butch Jenkins, a transfer student.
From where, Cape Canaveral High?
Ooh, a feisty broad. I like that.
You're lucky you're kind of cute, or I'd break your face for calling me that.
Hey, look, you want to take this conversation somewhere a little more private?
You're talking, and I'm getting annoyed. It's not exactly a conversation. Later, Butch.
Lori, stay away from this guy.
Well, if it ain't the bear and the square.
You know him?
That's right. Tommy and I went mid-century on his bike.
Whoa! Not here, Butch.
All right. Then how about a drag race down by the aqueduct at midnight?
No, Butch. We'll settle this right here, right now. Follow me.
Okay, Pally boy, do the switcheroo. I'm ready for the wolf monster.
Psst. Keep it down, Butch. I'm not gonna wolf out.
Fine. We'll rumble fair and square. I don't want no funny business. Deal?
Yeah.
Whoa!
All right, Butch. That's the way you want it. That's the way you're gonna get it.
Oh.
But if I win, you go back in the movie.
And if I win?
You won't.
I love the tough talk.
Okay, you ready to go back in the movie?
Not a chance. Fleabag. Ow! Okay, I'll go. I'll go back in the movie.
Yeah, no tricks?
Yeah, no tricks. No tricks.
Okay. Get back in there, Butch.
All right, hold your horses. I'm going. I'm going.
Whoa!
Bert!
Did you have a nice ride, baby cakes?
How'd you do that?
Hey, you said no tricks, Butch.
I had crossies. Squirt.
Don't worry, Lori. We'll go in there and we'll get you back. It's not a problem.
So long, suckers.
Burton, how'd he do that? That laser thingy wasn't real.
It may not have been realistic, but it was real.
You're in here, Butch.
Newsflash, Mary, I just did.
All right, somebody better tell me what's going on right now.
We're a scientific crew sent to investigate reports of a lunar monster over on Alpha 17. Right, guys? Hey!
Do for flinching, Einstein. Hop in, Toots.
I don't think so, Butch. I'm out of here.
I wasn't asking.
Dad!
Hovercraft, go.
Something tells me he's not really a man of science.
The portal has now been reopened. All we have to do is call Butch back and present a few cogent arguments as to why he should return our beloved Lori.
Come on, Merton. Lori needs us. We have to go in there and get her.
Nerd, come here.
Into the movie? Tommy, you don't just jump into another plane of existence. It could be fatal. You go first.
Come on.
Lunar surface. No oxygen. Can't breathe.
Correction. Construction on the transparent oxygenetic shield was completed in 1993.
You'd think I would have read something about that.
So, how do you like the atomic crater?
I don't really care about the scenery, Butch. I want to go back where I belong.
Just relax, Peggy Sue. We're staying put for a while. It's just me and my little friend.
Fine. What now, Captain Greaseball?
Nothing. Just like it out here. It's a good place to come and think.
You think?
Well, I ain't my poetry or nothing. It's just nice and quiet, that's all. You want a neck?
No, but how about I break yours? What'd you expect? You pull me into a movie against my will, and then you drag me out to some moon ditch, and you expect me to swoon like a bobby soxer. You're a real jerk, you know that?
I know. Everybody back at the Spaceman Academy told me I was a bad apple. I mean, who knows, maybe I am, but sometimes I think people don't see the real me. No, but now I'm getting all blubbery on you.
No, I know what you mean. When I got kicked out of Catholic school, everyone treated me like I was some major juvenile delinquent.
You got kicked out of Catholic school?
Yeah.
Neato. Good. You can see.
You'll never catch them. They took the hovercraft. All we have left are the Cosmos scooters.
Well, it's our only chance, so let's go. Your own?
But there's no helmet.
Which way did they go?
They were heading for the Omicron Peninsula. I'd wager 100 Romubecs that they'll be traveling via the Celestial Parkway. That way.
Tommy is so brave. Maybe someday he could be our unit commander.
So, are you, I don't know, are you going steady with anybody?
I don't really go steady, Butch.
Yeah, me neither. Steady's for squares.
Butch! Laura, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. Sorry, jockstrap, but the lady don't need no saving. Now I am Scray, so we can get back to the lip locket.
What are you talking about? Lori? You want to stay with Butch?
It's a free planet, ain't it?
Satellite, actually. Never mind.
All right, Lori, it's your choice.
It's the right choice.
Sorry, Butch, but I'm not the girl for you. Do you really think I was gonna stay here and live with you in a movie? Next time you like a girl, just buy her flowers.
That's good.
It's the wrong choice. Come on, doll, we're splitting together.
You're right. Nice knowing you, Butch.
All right.
Nails.
What is it with guys like that?
Well, we bad boys are not without a certain charm.
Whoa! Just drive safely!
What do you know about this? Butch is radioactive. Get ready for some fallout, wolf boy.
Well, I guess we can chalk up another one for the wolf, man.
Excuse me, are you forgetting who kicked his phaser gun into the crater?
Excuse me, but none of us would be breathing easy right now if I hadn't remembered to remove the film from the projector. Uno momento. Okay. I just need to find something to destroy it with.
Need a light?
Thank you.
Howdy, worm face.
Your lighter. Great balls of fire.
Oh, it's hurting.
Did you get the film?
Define get the film.
Is something wrong?
A smidge.
Good evening, Mouseketeers.
Butch, you're glowing.
You don't look too bad yourself, dollface. You should have came in that crater with me. It's given me a whole new outlook. That crater loaded me with sci-fi hoo-ha. Looks like we're even Steven now, Rin Tin Tin, so put up your dukes or your paws or whatever.
No, Butch. It's time for you to get back into the film.
Sorry, Pooch, but I ain't going back to no crummy planet.
Stall him, Tommy.
It's what? It's atomic.
It's over, Butch.
I'd say it's just getting started, Toots. How about an atomic hot foot? And I'll say your prayers, bucko, because this is gonna be a blast.
Tommy! Martin, start the projector!
Why, I oughta knock your
Push the projector into the film!
double crossers. I'll be back!
So you really think he'll come back?
Don't worry. If he does, he'll probably team up with us to fight a common enemy. It's pretty standard threequel storyline.
It is?
Oh yeah. Rocky 3, Clubber Lang and the Italian Stallion versus, no, it was Clubber Lang is the one that fought. It was Paul Creed. You're right. Return of the Jedi. Darth Vader comes to Luke Skywalker's aid. I'd mention Iron Eagle 3, but nobody saw that.
I gotta hand it to Merton. Even after our second run-in with Butch, he still kept watching his old movies.
Oh, come on!
Although he learned to appreciate videotapes a little more. And something tells me Laurie isn't about to mellow anytime soon. And as for Butch, I have no idea what happened to him.
I'll see you soon, bucko.